Hello, hello. Welcome back. This is Alicia Connor from Quick and Delish, and I'm super excited to tell you about my next series of YouTube videos. So they're going to be called Quick and Delish Life Conversations, and I'm going to interview awesome people about how they make healthy eating or meal planning and cooking happen. Because there's a lot of steps, as you all know, from being human and needing to eat. So there's the whole grocery shopping situation, and then there's the organization of the kitchen, the prep, the cooking, the cleaning, and also the storage aspect. And then the intentional planning of what one's future self will eat in the future. Um, and so it's complex. But I wanted to have a conversation with people who have insight and they have a system that works for them and their families, whether or not it's individuals or families. And the first conversation I'm going to have is with a Reverend Dr. Lisa Waits, and she's a clinical nutritionist she lives in Canada. I've never met a Canadian I didn't like. But she lives with chronic disease, and she just takes a very cool insight, a perspective on how she includes her family, her kids into meal planning, and I think it's really helpful for us to all share our experiences and learn from what other people do. So you will get to hear that interview this coming Friday, April 8th at 10 a.m. Pacific time. And so make sure to put the notifications on, subscribe and share this video. And I think you're just going to love this interview. It was super fun to do it. And maybe I'll have her back for another interview. But I think it's empowering to talk about the different aspects of meal planning and how to make together time at the table and in the kitchen happen more often, given that, in our days, we're very busy. There's lots of things to do. And I think having conversations at the dinner table is a perfect place, like a grounding place in terms of like everybody's sitting, they're not moving, to talk about how things are going and just, is anybody proud of something particular that happened this week? Or is there something that you'd like to sweep under the rug that you wish didn't happen? And sort of talk about how to let these things go that are challenging. And if you can learn anything from them, sure, awesome. But if not, just move on. Have the feelings, don't marry them, and move on. I know it sounds simple enough, but work in progress, right? Life is a work in progress. We're always working on the next draft of life. So stay tuned for that first conversation for Quick and Delish Life Conversations. And I also wanted to share real quick that my next meal planning series, which is 4 workshops of you building your meal planning foundation, lots of resources, and the workshops are about balanced meals and snacks, uh, proteins, carbohydrates with fiber and energy, as well as non-starchy vegetables and like strategies to eat the rainbow, as well as benefits. All of this information, nutrition concepts are built into the meal planning program, as well as, since I am a dietitian and chef here at your service. So check out the description box for the registration link for the next meal planning series. The dates are April 16th to May 7th. So it's 4 Saturdays in a row. Pacific time, 12 to 1 p.m. Central time, I think that's 1 to 2 p.m. And then Eastern time is 3 to 4 p.m. I think that's right in terms of the time. But I live in San Francisco. I'm in Pacific time. So I know it's 12 to 1 p.m. Anyway, check out the registration dates below, or a registration link to join me. It's $147. It's a really good deal for building your foundation and getting things started. If you want to join with your family, a kid, one of your kids, I meant by saying if a kid, I think it would just be just so fabulous to have the whole family involved, and the meetings are by Zoom, of course. And if you can't make it 12 to 1 p.m. Pacific time, I'd love, and you're interested, whether or not you're on the East Coast or in another country, please contact me or put a comment below saying what time and day would work for you, because I do want to add another one or two spots for the meal planning program, and just don't know exactly when would be ideal. Like yeah, anyway, like Saturday morning, or I don't know, Friday, I don't know. Any day could be good or bad, or any time could be good or bad. And I don't mean to say good or bad, but it's about time. So it's, in terms of making it work in the schedule. Anyway, so stay tuned for the Quick and Delish Conversations, the first episode of this series. And I hope to see you at my meal planning workshop series, Quick and Delish Meal Planning, to help you save time in the kitchen as well as make sure that you're eating quick and delish. All right, that's it from me. Stay tuned and make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, let's keep enjoying life. Cheers to you.